Hello guys, welcome to Product Creatives. In this video, we are going to look into 6 best sewing machines on the market. If you watch this video to the end, you will learn about the best 6 sewing machines, what unique features and accessories you get in these machines that give them an edge over other models, and the best category in which each model is classified based on its functionality. As always, all the links to the recommended sewing machines have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and you'll receive more great videos like this. For some people, sewing is a mainstay job. For others, it is just a hobby for passing time when not engaged in other stuff. Either way your purpose of sewing is, the best sewing machines can take your artistry through the roof. Nonetheless, they should depict top functionality for easy and efficient operation. Remember, you want a machine to give it a go with a good stitch. Plus, you should be able to sew on it consistently now and in the foreseeable future. Since different machines come with varying functionality, you might find it quite hard deciding on which model fits your needs. But there is no need to fret, because I scoured the web and right in this video, I give you a rich list of 6 best sewing machines. The rundown begins. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. Best Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 sewing machine gives you the true taste of a working heavy-duty machine. It's built with a sleek, modern-looking footprint, making it an elegant pick. Due to the heavy-duty build, Singer can handle the toughest sewing jobs on board. From denim and canvas to leather and upholstery materials, the machine was made for heavy fabrics that need strong, solid stitching. As such, expect a highly reliable top-speed operational motor with the capability to deliver 1100 stitches in just a minute. Also, you get 23 stitches that will keep your consistency top-notch to help you handle different types of projects without looking for other auxiliary options in other machines. Singer 4423 comes with a metal frame. This doesn't just signify a strong machine, it also means that it's a durable option that can stand the rigors of difficult projects. With it, you can have a ton of useful accessories. You get a zipper foot, quilting guide, soft-sided cover, buttonhole, foot, among other accessories. Its pros include it has top speeds, it's easy to select stitches, it comes with a ton of great accessories. Its con is, it doesn't do well on high wattage sockets. Overall, this is an all-rounder, taking even the toughest nuts to crack as far as projects can go. In number 2, Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine CS6000i, best for quilting. It doesn't matter where your skill level is. The Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine CS6000i is a pick that both beginners and experienced sewists would love. The sewing machine features 60 built-in stitches which you can choose easily on the LCD panel for different projects. There is a detachable oversized table that is great for quilting. Thus, Brother CS6000i is arguably the best sewing machine for quilting. Its sewing speeds stand at a respectable 850 stitches per minute, which means that your project will be completed faster than most standard machines can do. The sewing area is well lit to give you a smooth time working on darker fabrics. The machine's footprint offers a lightweight functionality. It comes with a hard carry case for storage. Its pros include it has a wide variety of stitches, it offers fast sewing speeds, it is versatile. Its cons are it comes with plastic parts and it has tension issues. Overall, it is a good affordable machine that's best suited for beginners, but experienced buffs can also still use it. In number 3, Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine. Are you looking for an extremely versatile sewing machine to handle a huge amount of projects? If you have been in this industry for ages, you know that a wide range of stitches is the stamp of craft mastery. This is what Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing Machine offers. With a whopping 600 stitches, I am made to believe there is simply no match to this offering. The 600 stitches feature basic decorative stretches and 13 buttonhole styles. But other helpful additions you may love on the go include built-in needle threader, one-touch stitch selection, and an easy load bobbin system. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 offers great speeds at 850 stitches per minute. You also get a huge list of useful accessories like the 18 presser fit, seam ripper, lint brush, etc. Its pros include: it has extremely wide range of stitches. It has great options to select from. It is sturdy and offers smooth operation. Its cons include: the quilting bar doesn't work with walking foot. It is a bit expensive. Overall, the sewing machine offers great functionality for advanced users. Number 4. Brother Quilting Machine PQ1500 SL. Brother Quilting Machine PQ1500 SL is a powerful quilting machine that delivers lightning-fast speeds. To be precise, the machine churns out up to 1500 stitches per minute, which is just mind-blowing. These speeds imply that you will be able to handle a ton of projects in a very short time. Plus, it is a heavy-duty platform, which means stability is guaranteed throughout the operation. It can't get easier for a speedy machine like this, also being able to tackle fabric, fox, leather, among other tougher fabrics. Although this machine is built for quilting purposes, it still does a great sewing job. No doubt this is one of the best sewing machines that offer a raft of awesome features. These include foot pressure adjustment, 4-feet dog settings, knee lifter, extension table, LED lights, built-in telescopic thread stand, fabric separator, and many more. The machine also includes several beneficial accessories. Its pros include: it is high quality and powerful, it is heavy duty, and it is affordable. Its con is: it comes with tension issues. Overall, if you want a speedy machine on a great budget, then the Brother Quilting Machine is going to be that choice. In number 5, Juki HSL F600 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. Best combo. You may need to have a powerful sewing quilting combo machine that is above and beyond the normal class you see every day. If that's your goal, Juki HSL F600 is right up for the task. Juki HSL F600 could be the best sewing machine for making clothes in general. You can sew garments, hem, or repair your curtains, drapes, or wares, and then in another turn of function, quilt fabrics without a glitch. The machine allows you to do this quite easily, thanks to its straightforward setup and functionality. Additionally, if you love it quiet around your work area, this machine fits the need. It depicts incredible performance. You get a decent amount of stitches, 225, while the machine runs at a terrific 900 stitches per minute, saving your time on a particular project. This is a high-quality machine with guaranteed results, so you will be able to get accurate professional results right off the bat. Its pros include: it offers fast speeds, it comes with professional stitches, it has a large throat space. Its con is: it is not great for beginners. Overall, this is your best combo machine that lets you quilt and sew like the pro. Number 6. Brother Sewing Machine XM2701. For sewing novices, Brother Sewing Machine XM2701 ticks all boxes. Better put, it may be the best sewing machine for beginners, novices, and kids out there. The machine boasts a small number of stitches though, just 27. This means there is less complexity, as these are just basic stitches for normal sewing work. The speed is 800 stitches per minute. There is an easy-to-load drop-in bobbin feature that is friendly for new sewists. It also offers automatic bobbin winding. You also get other key features including the automatic needle threader, LED light, including other handy accessories. Its pros include: it's easy to operate, it has an automatic needle threader, it is affordable. Its con is: it is not well made. Overall, this is the best bet of a sewing machine beginners can turn to. It offers simple functionality. I know you enjoyed this video about the 6 best sewing machines, didn't you? I'll be happy if you can like this video and share it with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until next time, take care.